Fly Roy back with a video. So today's video is for you guys to see how the Stunna butter doesn't allow nothing to stick to it, especially when it's snowing out. It does have a nice little protectant that is given on the vehicle. I'm giving y'all a little short video to let y'all see. I do drive my truck all the time, and like I said, I drive it, and I haven't washed it since I believe maybe I said about a month ago or something like that. I haven't washed it at all. It's just been getting like a wash down from the rain and stuff like that. But I'm gonna spin the camera around and let you guys actually see the truck and let you see how I got Stunna butter on the car. I also have it on the rims. Now the rims do have some debris on them, but I wanted to show you guys also what you can do, and it's just gonna wipe right off. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and y'all stay tuned.
You can't get me if you ain't got no money. I ain't shit free, I cost the fee. You can't get me if you ain't got no money. Slow feet don't eat when you fucking with me. You can't get me if you ain't got no money. I ain't shit free, I cost.
So guys, you see the truck? You see that has a little debris on there. But I want to show you this. Like you maybe you see the rim a little bit better. As you can see, like the condensation from driving, you're gonna have a little stuff on there, but like I'm saying, nothing's really gonna stick. As you can see, as I get this rag, and see how I can just wipe it off. See that, guys? I just wiped this off. That's from the Stunna butter, guys. Look at this. Just wipe this off. Like I said, I've been applying it. I just wanted to make this video for you guys to see. Like I said, I do have it on my windows too. So you see the debris on the windows. There's nothing on this rag, guys. There's nothing on there. And you see how I'm just wiping that off? You see that right there? Come on, guys. You see that? Come on, guys. You can just get a look at that, how that's just coming off. Look at. But this video was for you guys to see. I wanted to make a video so you can see what the Stunna butter does in like different temperatures and stuff like that. Dealing with salt. Like I said, I do drive the truck. You can see the snow on there, guys. You see it on there. I do drive it. And see, there's nothing sticking to it. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, and y'all stay tuned. Y'all see it is cold out here. You know your boy always up to something. You see I got some power wheels over there. Somebody be cooking in the kitchen for the snow, y'all. Never know. Y'all stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.